What's going on, DAs and YouTubers? This is Giovanni, the dental assistant. Now, being an assistant can be tough. It can really take a toll on your body, especially your hands, your back, and your feet. Whether it be passing instruments all day, it could be you're maybe bent over, curled over, in different positions, being in awkward positions, trying to get the suction in there, or even with your feet, standing all day causes a lot of fatigue during your body. So I have 3 stretches that you guys can use on a daily basis to help you out, stretch out those muscles and really get them warmed up for the day. Let's get right into it. The first one's going to be your hands. So to start this exercise, you want to start with soft fist and splay your fingers outwards, giving it a nice stretch for 5 to 10 seconds. You're going to repeat this again, soft fist, and stretching your fingers for about 5 to 10 seconds. Give it a nice stretch. Again, close and open one more time. Nice stretch, 5 to 10 seconds. And there you are. Now that we got the hands out the way, let's go ahead and do the back. I know some of you assistants are walking around like this. Start this exercise rolling back in your chair, completely optional. Have fun. All right, stand nice and tall, bring it down, rolling your back to the ground. And what you're going to do is roll your back up. Breathe in, nice deep breaths, and you can do that again. Let your body roll down to the ground, letting your hands hang, and you're going to roll right back up. Feeling the stretch in the middle of your back. Again, letting your body roll to the ground. Wait a second or two. Come right back up, rolling it right back up. Now you're ready for the day. You try it now. Now that we have the back out the way, let's go and do the ankle and feet. You want to start this exercise by sitting on a stable chair, lift one leg over the other, and grab your foot with the opposite hand. Rotate clockwise or counterclockwise, allowing your ankle full range of motion, 10 to 20 times. I rotated 6 times each side for time convenience. After the first rotation is done, go in the opposite direction 10 to 20 times, then switch legs and repeat to the other ankle and foot. Finish the rotations and you're all set. Well, that's it, DAs and YouTubers. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any comments, any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be sure to get back to you guys. And remember, keep styling, keep smiling.